Hi guys, I'm back with another swag unboxing video on my channel. So recently I have completed my Future Ready Talent internship, and as a reward I have received this small little gift from Microsoft. Just in case you people don't know, FRT is a virtual internship program launched by Microsoft in collaboration with AICTE, NASSCOM, EY, GitHub and Quess Corporation. So let's see what's inside this. Thank you so much the Soul Store for such a lovely message. I must say the quality of this product is really very nice. I like this Microsoft Azure t-shirt. Thank you Microsoft for this. This is my internship completion certificate. Please hit the like button if you like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.